Hello, this is Chef Kim. Let's do it. Korean chicken dumpling. I make the chicken slice so tiny, and then I put some spices like onion, garlic powder, some paprika, and then some ginger, and I put the coriander, sliced coriander leaves, and then don't forget the sesame oil, oyster sauce, and a little bit of sugar. And then I put the magic syrup like Filipino spice. And then some soy sauce, and then mix it, and I make my own dough. But in the second video, this is the first step. So I hope you enjoy watching.